Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I have some vegan relatives. I wanted to make them some brownies, so let's make them. To a bowl, I'm adding 1.5 cups of regular white sugar. And now I have a half a cup of vegan butter that's melted. And I mix them together. And then I'm going to add a 1/3 cup of almond milk. And I'm going to mix that in. And to that, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And that is my wet ingredients. To another bowl, I'm adding 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to mix that together really well. And these are my dry ingredients. Now I'm going to add my dry ingredients to my wet ingredients. And then I'm going to mix those really well to combine, and this makes my batter. I have an 8x8 baking dish. I sprayed it with a non-stick baking spray. I'm going to add my batter, and you need to spread it out a little bit like this. So now I'm going to add some walnuts on top, half a cup all the way to a cup, whatever you want. So after I do this, I have a 350-degree oven that's waiting. It's nice and hot. And after 30 minutes of cook time, you have beautiful vegan brownies. Very tasty and very healthy. Everybody ate them and loved them. So these are my vegan brownies with walnuts on top. Thank you so much for watching.